Nigeria we introduce nsani juma was about basic education mu. Na what's in juma bi today plumbing, makeup, hairstyling. And at 12 other jobs. So I'm a man shishim and I'm a bincha na one day na I don't know a good move, and I think it doesn't take anything away there in Henry baby day. What the POP a juma was abakang in penny pina urban POP people want people who are extremely good or either work with Togo na work for POP expect wobebe sebi iti inyo bia na niti obutuma abaye par square na fine x and adobebe suya gorgeous big.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusiafo wa mayenzi nkomo bi kakra bi anape. I say wa mayembo Nigeria for about Nigeria for a make a movie bia. Medren wa me feed oboboa the entire Africa, and I think say Ghana Minister of Education Haruna Idrisu or video another what's the massime or many one because Nigeria we introduce nsani juma was about basic education mu. Na what's in juma bi today plumbing, makeup, hairstyling. And at 12 other jobs. So I'm a man shishim and I'm a bincha na one day na I don't know a good move, and I think it doesn't take anything away there in Henry baby day. What the POP a juma was abakang in penny pina urban POP people want people who are extremely good or either work with Togo na work for POP expect wobebe sebi iti inyo bia na niti obutuma abaye par square na fine x and adobebe suya gorgeous big. It is not everybody that can learn that yemu binom inside juma na obobo hen. And so for them to add in juma bi to the makeup and poche there we are sana sisia na orukwenenyim. Ama farmer able who they say makeup and obey wabe the S-grade child job another retirement benefit job for a 2-2 for another sebi olo show for. But on them and can make up you may be a say binum sika waje pa for bridal makeup in there sebi onye jumo there to tunase. Inti from basic education and yimpano hu there sebi onya do butuma aka science aka doctor. And a wa fan kwan. I tell you there are lots of unkofa wa branch into nursing sector. When you business bia or nursing sector, they should have been makeup artists. Yeah, or nurse bi or questioning ya maybe or yeah or TikTok and who then call it okay POP installation and other CCTV because in who then a German or yanan on found bet zobedinti another only brebia monsoon or connection training and other ni MPB party full soldier what an a kosher. And he say, Walbama, a dream to the phone repairs, and you bema, people might not feel the phone repairs or phone business are for dropout school, dropout people. Naza, I think it will be very nice. And come someone and one for DJ in a creative other media, and maybe in our one fan from the go nankas and our frabanankas and beginning out the way. No, maths, X. R square na dam nyaman on fan how niti it's in on fan how beginning na we hu mo be ye wo wiase nti indwuma na Nigeria for that basic education ya best one Ghana Education Service one tre nyandama ni bi from crèche na yenjai kokomilo na ayehwen because afraba hu de bia obotum we sunya friend and how to animate as if from the basic stage. Me sure they on hand on koshe bronini kokomilo. What the hairstyling, hairdressing, and I mean, only day you train you do secondary technical because it's echo secteca another technical school bimpo bude initi another abwan Atase. I think this is a very good mover. Say Ghana mpanyinfo na wanyamba ya adwen. Na sanka wobaka wotra boma nkobo boyen na papa. Politicians na lawyers na ye produce one bebreben. Na ho fa so be na yinya. Ona inde obia ni dream no bokwa kai na parliament Ghana de sebi do be yon nabo na wapo man fum. What is America now say? Man kede bia wakati na parliament, and that is the prime motive. But akwa akoye de somebody just walk into parliament and in a few years that person becomes billionaire overnight. People are pushing their wars to go and study law. Na one kwamre shebegum one kashamra. The reason why countries like China and will take over the world in the end. You see, kwa China mall kwashe world business supervisor at the way boy China you may be organ mo we good. Bokwana was shenike so in a la course. But also marketing business executive financial advisor but the partner work Ghana school university na deni na was no tejuma na na egude nufu. And so we have to learn from these Western countries practical jobs in ya one den. Yanche yambo from man minsima safra na yuajikal wa beginning na yam function ase. Big ups to man be your friend master down or ACC. Never small boy. Odu Saturday so more about workshop. You understand? Nti when I started to build our friend interest wakali him. So may assure the education service they might be very interested in this. On found in Nigeria for now what's the one about the first, but may assure that I'm asking the monk yende and a starty ya king. To the extent that would beekeeping, and a sabim punching and punch crying and we'll be back actually a punching so ya joining in Pacusia and in the Mbwa Nyana Yado and Kofukusia. Oh, the Christmas, ye being it today, mea, tap on 5 when they go, you who they will scar. These people are making money. In a Juma Swa Sebi, Eya, once a Bokowan and Eze. In you to be a lingam, there is no shame in job where you know go steal. What is American answer? So I believe that all need to understand me that it's about time our Ghana will move from the theory aspect of our education and come into practical zoning. That is what we have to do. The enjoy or I mean kade law na da me yama bet sebi you training more lawyers are. Lawyers in why then they are there to defend people and all those things. And actually, there is some kofun kwanede one zibon because one will be defend one, you produce one more. What is the American answer? It's good to have doctors in order to save lives. But sebi doctor ne kale say you to me. Doctor ne plumbing when kon to me. Doctor no ye makeup no oye hwa the hospital are patients who na ni ye mbeshin ma wewu. So you need to get people to get into our practical space to make Ghana a better place. And I make it supposed to be about this thing. A lot of people, they didn't know where I was heading towards to. This was the reason. I feel they made Jim Kanya Sampa, Madrin, or you to my tea. I told women, Mubwe mature habits on the lighter side of life, and sometimes so they may yimpaning watch it. So no yane, yizago, but yin searching. She. For man is here, and able to share Madrid phone, Busubu to match a wide or comment section.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.